Hello friends, in this video I will introduce you how you can use online whiteboard for virtual teaching. So the tool which I am introducing to you, that's a whiteboard.fi, right? And once I click this, I will land up to this page, and in this page you can see there are two options. One is new class and another is join class. So as a teacher I need to create a new class. So what I will do, I will just click this new class, and you can give a name to your class. Suppose I'm teaching any particular subject, I can give that also, or I just simply I'm giving XYZ. Okay, and here you can see number of options are coming which will tell you like enabling waiting room lobby, or you want to upload images. Yes, I want to upload images also, so that my students can do that. I'll just click this and then create new class. So once you create a new class, you can see this option like if you want to share this whiteboard with your student, you need to just copy this link and share it with your students so that your students can also work on the whiteboard. So the beauty of this tool is like it not only create a board for you as a teacher but also for your students. If I have 100 students with me, so you can have 100 whiteboards for your student, so you can have as many boards as you can. So in this, once I share this link with my students, each and every student join this whiteboard class, every student will be having its own board, will be having their own board, right? So what I will do, like here you can see my whiteboard. This is the board of teacher, and here my class, this is the board for the student. So once the student will join this class, the students will have as many boards as you have, like can see over here, right? The number of students you have in your class. So now what I will do, I will go to my board. So I'm just demonstrating you the few features which as a teacher you can use while using whiteboard. So here you can see this free drawing mode. I can just draw something over here, like suppose like I want to draw something, hello, how are you? Okay, so this way you can just write down something over here. Or suppose if I'm want to write any maths equation, so I can write just 2 square plus 2 square, right, is equal to 8. So this way you can just write it down. And if I want to clear it, this is the eraser, I can just remove this one by one, or I can just simply go to this clear whiteboard, right? Once I click this clear whiteboard, everything which has been written will be cleared. Another option over here is this draw a text. Suppose I want to draw something, right? Draw any text I want to write down. So what I will do, I will just click this. Okay, I can use hello students. So I'll just working on this. Okay, hello students, how are you? So this way you can write down with like in a formatting, with the complete formatting, and in a proper way. If you are using this free drawing mode, definitely the consistency, the clarity of your text will not be there. But if you use this draw text tool, definitely you can write it consistently and clearly. Another feature is I can use different diagrams. I basically, like if I want to draw a triangle, rectangle, circle, any polygon, or if I want to insert an image, that also I can do. So this whiteboard is really very effective for the teachers who are teaching mathematics, right? So suppose like here I have with me, so I want to draw a triangle. So this way I can draw a triangle. And another edit feature is I can also change the color, or I can have a different colors for this. Suppose I want to use this color, I can use this. So this way you can change the color of your triangle also. Right, here I can have a circle. I can draw a circle also, and I want to change the color of this circle. I can change the color as well. So this whiteboard is really very impressive, or what I say is very useful, relevant for the mathematics student. Another important feature in this whiteboard is you can insert images also. Right, so I want to insert any image. I can insert image also. I can adjust the image size as I want. So what, ever you want to add the kind of images, you can do it. Right, another is I can have an insert a background image. Suppose I want to have some kind of background image in this, so that you can use. Okay, then I'll use this. So you can see I have a background image also. So this way you can use this feature over here. Now I'll show you one of the important feature of this whiteboard which you as a mathematics teacher can use. So first let me just clear this whiteboard. Okay, so all the work which been done on this board has been removed. Now what important feature I was discussing was the something related to mathematics. So here you can see this insert, right? And when it comes to insert, you can have grids also, you can have large grid also, small grid also. So as a mathematics teacher, we all are working on a grid sheet. So that way I can have something over here. Like suppose I want to draw a rectangle over there, right? So this way I can draw a rectangle. I can just change the shape of this, the color of this rectangle. And once you go to this action board, you can see this insert, and in this insert itself you can see this mathematics, right? So here this is something which is really wonderful or added feature for the mathematics teacher. I can add my mathematics equation over here. So you can write down whatever you want to do. Like suppose if I write down any equation, okay, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, or any kind of equation you want to add, you can write it, right? So I just insert, and once I insert, like I can just adjust the font size also of this, and this way you can create your whiteboard. So I hope instead of using your green board, it will be better if you switch over to this whiteboard, because this whiteboard has come up with lots of added feature which you cannot do even with the whiteboard also. Right, so keep enjoying and have happy learning. Thank you so much.